that's the vector A. Multiply that vector by 3, it means that vector is gonna be 3 times length. Correct? This first time, second, and 3. Having the same direction of A. This is your 3A. Correct? So 3A means that you have 3 A's added together. Or you increase the length 3 times. You scale it up. Okay? Minus 2B. So minus 2, if you want to be, it's 2, 4, minus 6. Will be minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Minus 2 minus 6 is plus 24. What that means is minus 2b. If you have a vector b, first of all, the minus means that minus b means that b, the direction change will be the same magnitude. For example, if you have a b, and then when you say minus b, you change the direction of b. So if b in that direction up, so you will have minus b down. Okay? If you multiply it by 2, you will have 2 b's. So another b here. So in total, you will have minus 2b. Okay? Next, what is a minus b? So your a 1, 2, 3, minus b 2, 4, minus 6. You subtract them. So you will have 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4, and 3 minus 6. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and this will be plus 9. In vectors, what that a minus b? I believe it's this way. So assume a and b this way. Now if you want to find a plus b, it's 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 4, minus 6. It's gonna be simply 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus minus 6 is minus 3. So what's the meaning of a plus b? If you have a vector a, and a vector b, a plus b here, I will draw from the end of b a line parallel to b. Also, I will draw from the end of the line b a parallel to a. Intersection here, the point, if you take the line from here to here, from here to here, it is a plus b. Okay? That's in vectors. Or a plus b here, if you take a parallel to a here, you take that a parallel to that a, from the end of a, you draw a vector B parallel to B here. That B is parallel to that B here. The summation of A plus B is it's A plus B, which has the start is the start of A and the end of is the end of B. Okay? Any questions? That is if you write it as vectors, okay? Graphical representation. One more example. If you want to find A minus B, for example, for our problem here, that's your A. Now A plus B, that's your B. A plus B, we said what we do, we take a parallel and parallel here and you give you A plus B, correct? Now if you want to take A minus B, it's simply A minus B. It's simply you change the sign of B, is you take the reverse direction of B. It will be this. If B is the direction, you take the reverse direction of B, and with the same magnitude, this is minus B. And then you add it, minus B to A. You take a parallel to A, from A to B, parallel to minus B, parallel by the end of minus B, parallel to A, and that is the vector A minus B.